Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Now, if you're like us, when you're camping, you like to have some extra bedding or blankets, towels, something, and they take up a lot of room. Wife found some vacuum bags the other day on Amazon. We picked those up. Now you can use a vacuum cleaner to do it, or you can just press it down. So if you didn't have one in the trailer, you could do that. So we're going to try that out. We've got it. This one came with, let me get the English side, 3 jumbo and 3 medium, so 6 bags total. So let's see. So what I'm going to do is I've got, and don't knock it, we've got a comforter right here, and that takes up half the storage underneath our bench seat here. So I'm going to see, I think we're going to go with a jumbo on that, so let me come in here, and I believe that is a jumbo one. As you notice, I haven't used these before, so it's a live demo. Well, almost live demo. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what these are for. I didn't see anything there. Let's see. Zip at least 3 times. Make sure it's closed. Okay, so those are those are part of the zipper. So let's open this up. Let's get this comforter in there. Sorry if it's getting white out. Here, let's go back here. So it just kind of looks like a piece of plastic that's bent over that you can put on it. So it says go at least 3 times and up to 4 times or something. Rub back and forth, and that makes sure that it's on. So, oh, there we go. So I think I did what they asked for. Now the next thing to do is squeeze some air out. So, alright, so right up on top, you can see here's the vent. So it seemed to take up, reduce it by a little bit. So what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take, and before it used to take half that box up, now it's not taking that much. Here, let me grab you and show you. There you are. So it's taking up half of that. Don't worry, I'm taking those off right now. Got some other bedding and stuff like that I've got hidden in other places. I'm going to grab that. We're going to squishy those down too after I get those staples pulled off. Well, there's the other part of our bedding that we have stored around the trailer. So let's go ahead and squeeze that stuff down and see what we can do. We keep extra bedding on hand just in case somebody else shows up, or it gets a little cold or something like that. So this is actually a Christmas present my wife made for me. So we're going to take this one. We're actually going to use one of the smaller ones for sure. Because what I'm going to try to do on the next one is I'm going to actually try to shove 2 of those into that big one. See how that works. Okay, one out of the way. Now, grab one of those big ones again. And let's try putting both of these in there. Don't know what's going to happen, but we'll give it a try. Well, we're actually able to fit both of them in. Just like that. I'm trying to debate whether I want to take that other one out and try shoving it in here and doing all of them. Why not? Okay, so to open it up, let's just go. Okay, let's try it. Why not? I would say that that's pretty stuffed full. So, let's close it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, there it is. Okay. Thought I lost one of those already. So, we're going to stick this right on. Pinch. And we're going to go all the way across. Now, they say they want 3 times, at least, or 4 times. So, there. Let's just leave that on there. Okay. You ready? Now, it does say that valve right there, you can put a standard vacuum hose on. So I'm gonna set it down here for a second. I'm gonna kneel on it. I know I'm out of picture, but oops. Oh, I started hearing where there was a leak in the bag right at the seam, and I just kind of pressed it and it stopped. So okay. Well, there we go so far. I'm gonna try to see if I can't get a little bit more out. Yep, I'm getting some more out. I'm sorry, I just got you on a tripod today, and well, there it is. Let me open up this compartment down here. I'll set it down there and see how it fit. Now remember, there was just one down here earlier, and it pretty much filled up the entire half of the seating under here. And so there, we've got all 3 of those comforters sit in place. I still have this one. I can sit down there. So I got all that bedding now down there. And let me kind of move this. Ow! And come back around. And yeah, I got some stuff down here. But all this over here was nothing but bedding also. That's the other bedding that I grabbed. So actually, I'm going to call that a win-win. them bags right there. See if I can't get get this in. There we go. I think that's going to work. So that is the product we just used. I will have a link to the Amazon on this, and also it's going to Campers Life approved products. If you guys enjoyed the video, if this is going to help you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and until the next time I see you, happy camping.